Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another ogbogelicious matter come again. Now, who we wan watch today, my amazing people? We wan watch Umenwa TV, aka Baba wey dey smile, aka Frank Victor. My people, make we chillax and enjoy this very video where e for message to Vera say, Vera, your shame dey shame me. You are a big disgrace to your family. My people, I know say so many people no like this video, but make una drop una opinion on our comment section. I wan see wetin una think about this very video. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and share, drop your opinion, and also subscribe. Thanks.
Priye na ijo name ijo. And then let me know say Sarah, T-Boss, Vera, and the rest, they are all ijo people. Okay, good. Now, I bet I'm gonna share this video, make it reach their hands. I want talk for this their family matter. Because I don't want to know what I say. It didn't want to water ho. Pray the ghosts. Because me and Priya will be ghosts. As me and ghost, I'm a ghost too. Now so Priya be ghost. According to latest updates. Oh my God. The saga on social media is totally getting out of hand. Concerning the family of Jumbo waiting with their family. The children, the senior sister, only in Italy. My friend, latest updates, Vera TV, and the last one, Sarah T-Boss, who did born. I bet I'm gonna share this video. I just got back now. If now we tag them, tag them, sit down in the list. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. All this while, okay, Jumbo Saze, okay. All this while with the saga them. All this while with the saga them, because of what the sister do, which is Sarah, not be Vera. What Sarah do now make you see many women they come out for them, they call the saga them. And a lot of you guys are mocking them. None of them wants really say it the way it is. It's done. None of them want to put some sense enter their brain. But me as a father, and as a brother, and as a friend, I will always sit down here to lecture and educate you guys with words of wisdom. So please, Muna invite their elder sister, make you see this video. Muna share it. If you get it, I don't know the Facebook, I don't know the page, I don't know whatever it is. Wait for the do it live, I don't know. Muna share this video, go give me. Muna share this video. Muna call my guy. Latest updates. Muna tag him. Muna write hashtag latest updates. Latest updates. Muna let him go. You go see the notification. You understand? And Vera T-Boss, Vera television programming. Yeah, Vera. And what's it called? Sarah T-Boss, especially Benjamin. The most important Benjamin. May they sit down, may they listen. I use God beg una, not be for curse, not be for saga. Nobody should insult them for comment section. Please. My lovely followers and fans who are watching me, please don't insult any of them. You see, if they do all these things like this, everybody they sleep, they carry hair go one side, it means say we don't get sense. All of us don't get sense. Sometimes this should go come, we'll look at deeply, we'll pull out some sense. Now, with what I see on this their saga, between this their family saga, between Vera and the rest of their siblings, they see a family crisis. Vera now, because of the way the rest of the people are now sagaring Vera. Vera now lack respect for the father, lack respect for the family. Vera now look like outcasts. He's not bullying the father, the mother, even the late mother, everything that all these bad books. They give the family. I watched one of the video where they shed tears as she do the saga. And you see the voice of Vera don't crack for this saga. Her voice don't crack and she don't shed tears. You never gonna watch the video. Because their video don't be video where you let person play because it's so irritating. You understand? Because of the things where they come out of their mouths. Concerning family, fathers, mothers, you know. And the funniest part, they are all fathers and mothers. All of them don't get children now. They know they grow their family. Now, please, I'm gonna share this video when I invite them. And then when I also sit down, they could listen. Because in every nonsense, there is always a sense. And all of us go learn. We will pull it together and learn from this issue of Vera program family. Most of the things when they happen to Vera, so they happen for every family. It takes God's grace to fix up at this kind of issues. Especially when the heart of these children are being stabbed. Their heart are bleeding. Against this and against that. You understand? So, thank you very much, Ambassador Prince Omoruyi Efe of Yaroyo. Now, you see, my brother, now the person I want to really talk to now, the latest updates. You know why I want to fish out the latest updates? The latest updates, you are the man in that family. As far as the rest, all those women there abroad here, now you be their eldest and the overall senior brother for that family. And you're supposed to showcase that role, that mantle of a brother, a senior brother. That mantle of a leadership supposed to be with you. And you use that authority to solve this problem amicably. With peace and harmony. Where this shame and disgrace not going to spread for media. Brother, I'm not going to lie to you. You are not helping your family. You are contributing to the shame and disgrace that is coming to your family house, your household. Not just only your father's side, including your own wife and children. Now, you be man, and you did for Facebook. You be blogger. You blog. Vera and your sister. With your talk, your intelligence, your way of talking, I know so you get sense past Vera. The first you senior Vera. You are so smart, you get sense past Vera. You're supposed to use that your akanuchi. Cure your elder sister, the junior one or the eldest one where they listen to you. Okay, if you senior said okay, fine. You're supposed to use your brain as a man. Take care of the rest when they listen to your voice. You know, say this abroad this so. Some for our women, they don't enter abroad, they don't get respect for their family. You know why? Because this abroad and all this life of us living self-contained. Just imagine this person like me now. Only me want to live for 3 bedrooms. I go do what them, nobody they control me. Nobody will control me. You understand? That really affects many of our girls. They go to talk to their parents anyhow. They go to talk to their family anyhow. They don't get respect for their family. Now, you see this issue, this story will come up so of their Vera and Sarah, the elder sister, and the one who pay me past now, the elder sister. That's what I first talked to her the last time. But I look at everybody don't be the same thing. That's what I say I beg. I used to beg when if you did, you're gonna tag her, make you sit down. I want to talk to her. I want to talk to her. I want to talk to her, set her brain. She need to calm down. Sister, I don't know your name. But then sister, I don't know your name. You listen with that. They see that they talk. Say sister, wig now, wig you, wig now, wig you. Sister, we wear wig. Sorry, I'm not here to insult you. You understand? Please, I want to beg you. I want you to go beg you as the elder sister. You be Vera mama. We will not get mama again. Now you now come be their mama. Now you come be their mother. Why you go take some job body, they pursue some. We listen to the story of Vera from childhood. You guys have criticized that girl right from small picking when she was born. e don't tell when they want me that get buy from small pikin they come. Not be now the family. But thank God the girl still there alive today. No matter the things, the atrocities she has done. You guys, family now family. You know the guy the be pass. You cannot make my family your family. Your family or your family. Vera than your brother, your blood, not your blood. You know if it change. Gaffy with you. Inside Jude, there must be Judah. Inside family, they must get Crispy for inside. For a family to complete, for family to stand and become real family, you must get thief. You must go with the talk like. You must go be pastor. You must go be native. You must people must come with different destiny. You must join. Everybody not here they go one way. Now so they move. This one go be person be quiet. This one go person be wacko. It did every family. Like me now, me not respect my family or not they had my own. Me don't be say tomorrow, but I should come open and say, frankly, when you're gentle, the man gentle wa. Or everyone. Person way gentle for our family, they know him. That one at water, you know they talk. And I was like, only say, hey, I be you. We will still position journal. But last, we'll still come to conclusion to be happy as a family. You understand? So please, madam, you as a sister, an elderly sister, go okay to stand and say, what do you do, my sister, if you not do it? Only the beranenia, or you wear, or more well at only the beran, you talk. Only way you move. As you see, say, she saga your junior one. Now there you go come in. Okay, if to say your mama dey alive, you go buy Vera for Sarah. No go do one. I want more than that, man. You understand? She must look for a way to settle these two girls for peace and harmony. To reign between both of them. As your mark by so, you carry the matter of a mother over the life of these women. What you can do, you can come out now, can saga your sister, saga your husband, saga your in-law, Jonah. Auntie, it don't make sense now. No good ear go hear that kind of thing go cover and go say it is well with you. A lie. Anybody where they support you, she started a lie. No matter what he prayer do for years back inside house, when not talk come out, una not supposed to beg and come out. Una supposed to use wisdom. The cure they go with this. Hello? I greet you, ma. What up, babe? What up? Agwan. Okay. Berlin for you. Berlin for. Yes. So afa. Yeah. Ni afa. Wato. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. You know like what in real life, sir. In real life, the speaker. In real life, the speaker. The speaker. Okay, I true for the. I call you back. Alright. Alright. So, my beautiful sister, you as an elderly sister, as I was saying, make sure we a piece of uri your nurse or uri your nurse or only Vera get the right to provoke. Vera get just the way other women now they spark, other men they spark. Vera get the right to spark. What you supposed to do? Igwe no, or tell me Muyoto. Tell me Muyoto. You know will be hard if you not team up. Outside that's not go feel follow na hand. Outside that's not go feel beat you now. If to say Vera, you are Vera plus the latest update, una get na draw one rope. Even though other people they saga on now, first enjoy the saga the back. If you not even want to stay, apologize. Una go join them together. Una go the blast outsiders. That is the bonding. The rope with town. But imagine your sister now play the saga Sarah and the children. You ballers, you join Sarah, you the saga play. People when they outside go look, it's okay. Or Diona or the imagine Sarah. Oh yeah, when the recipes here a picture. Oh man, make sense. You understand? Now let's leave the recipes issue of your sister when you die for children picture. The thing now don't they go too far. You as a mother, you supposed to sit down. See, o ma kekede ngwadu avie e karatu wala dia e media. Ado atawe eliyanji de gbea. Man the good ati e bode ruwa, ti e bode you wanna wune, do all kind of things. When you are supposed to be a mother and sit down and draw these children together for peace to reign. O ma make sense. Why now you people are going further? Ya mwe bogbo we are no tin wa biena. He doesn't want it. He don't call for. As a senior sister, Oma make it sense. If I will not get it wrong, and it's never too late, my dear, you still have the opportunity of calling these children together to make peace with them. Everything you guys are saying on media here is on media. If I come tomorrow, one concert Vera, I'll go bring latest update video to the beat Vera. If I come tomorrow, one concert latest update, I'll go bring Vera video. I'll go to latest update. If I want concert you with the elder sister, I'll go bring Vera video. I'll play and cut and analyze you. The same thing goes to all social media influencers or social media live video presenter. This is our work. This is our work. You understand? So please don't avoid all this many talk. The man here do I tell you because if you will not no effort talk, this things gonna do so. It not go finish for ground. Years to come, my remembrance. I will that remembrance. People will still come, must still edge with you guys. And at the end of the day, they still fucking up. They will still go bring a video, come over YouTube, TikTok, or whatever it is they'll come play. But adventure that time, we don't settle. We are agree, we are settled, peace don't de. Person come the plan. Imagine the video Monica did the other time. I use it for example. Monica come tell Mama, let love listen me go drop that video. The time Monica do the video now 2019. She be done remove my head, don't forget. But this last 3 months, months ago, now my video was still raised the matter again. When Esther issue will come again, he still go play Monica video. When Monica do that video, it is not still that will come again, but it still come up again. It still come remind them. So when Monica call hear a voice say, my wife settled me, and this one just settled. But they use Monica voice that they insult the person. They get them. So my sister, this whole issue now. Settle down, bring your heads down as a leader, as a senior, as a mother to these children. See how you will settle this situation amicably. Even though they will record you, you settle your house in peace. Peace do your house. It not make you a fool. It make you a wiser woman. You more wiser than them all. That's what makes you a elder sister. Not just an elder sister for a fool, but an elder sister who have wisdom, who have authority, who have a mantle to lead as a leader. That's the reason why I plead with you to please, no matter what any of them do you, this is blood. Blood is thicker than water. Have mercy upon them, forgive them, draw them together. See anybody where you go wrong, you for insulting me, you pay. For insulting me, I say, I'm too the tear before people. My brother, if I did family meeting like this, I'm everybody quiet because we have misbehaved after one carton. That's why the same time when they do video, they call Frank. Frank comes to film me. So if you want to talk to senior brother, it's half a call. So if senior man will go or whatever, so we are if one carton day boy, I'll drop one carton here. Yeah, before you talk anything, we'll drop one carton first. Another day they abroad and they go drink them. You understand? So those guys go they happy. So they go, those see the video they happy. They come with anybody because all of us the grace. So if we reach people, I mean, they find gentleman normally. I don't want to beer. I don't want the TBB. I don't from here pay one carton of beer. From here, I pay one carton of beer. I transfer. I'm going to go the same drink. You understand? So these things now, what TV say, don't make you. God already create you as a leader. You need to act as a leader. You understand? Like how ENOGIE. I just God beg you. Find a place how you go to settle your family out of social media. Out of social media. Every not log up with. Do not that you can look for somebody you believe on. When you know say you get sense, you get brain, you will call her, join her body. Baba la gume with temegon. In an army with PCRO. It not remove anything for your body. They will call together as brother. They go put this one go talk, this one go talk. Talk within the vessel. This one talk within the vessel. You tell her sorry. You tell her sorry. You bring her ego down. This is family. Let's embrace peace as a family. This one apologize to this one. This one apologize to this one. This one apologize to this one. Peace day. Afterwards, everybody there in your city and your country for abroad. So that peace. Now, God create WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp will be family WhatsApp group. You understand? So for some children, family WhatsApp group. All not go feel in our opinion. There anything we want to talk. Anybody get any issue, one break man. You get what difficulty when they pass through. Now fit do one. Senior sister go there. You understand? Anybody bring something, you listen to this one. Okay, see solution. So, the one you not get. If you look for person, let me call my godfather or let me call my godbrother. They can give me idea. You talk, solution come. This abroad this so Papa not there here, Mama not there here. Papa not go come here concert to you. Mama not go come here concert to you. Now you go arrange yourself. Now you go settle yourself, settle your children, settle your brothers. There. How now go to the live quick? All Papa needs from you guys now is bring money come, bring money come, bring money come. Build us, put Papa, buy motor, give Papa. Finish. How you take the live here? You know well. And the sickle, Baba Pao, mommy no come, Papa no come. Now you are police and ambulance and doctor. If you survive, safe journey. If you not survive, inshallah, Allah rally, you don't go. Papa go say go house. That your house where you build, Papa go to stay. Go to live where go to eat, go to stay drink. After 1 month, a father forget about you. He move on with your life. So you take here and with your brothers and sisters, draw them closer to yourself. Settle them amicably. Let them stop this basketball. Words that are not supposed to be used as a brother, as a sister, they are now using it. It's totally unacceptable and it's not good. It's not good for ear. As a senior sister, I use God beg you. See how you go fit settle this issue amicably for peace to reign. All this one we present at the blog and the quarter. Share, tell me thumbs up this video. Give me a like. Give me a like. It don't make sense. May we drop them down. May we drop the ego down. May peace for reign. That one is your senior sister. Now the man inside the organ, part of the or now the organ and the man, which is latest updates. Latest updates. I know say you be man and peradventure here anger too, and I don't go to blame you too much, but I will only educate you as a brother and as a friend, what you are supposed to do. You understand? And the way you know my yakara uyomba, you thank God say the year Benin. You understand? And you be Benin. Your man I be Ijo or whatever. So things like this they happen. If you know feel sovereign, you get that right to call people that are still more than you. When you know so you feel trust. Mama, can you point some family now? Put me through how of this solve this problem. Or bros. If you come and say, bros will have see what they solve my family. Babe, I don't know what you feel hate me. What can I do? I'm not gonna say bros alpha. As a bit like this, so calm down. Bring yourself down. Because the sister you have, they are lioness. They back like dog. You don't need to back alongside with them. When you back with them, you don't spoil everything. Sleep may they bite you. And after they bite you, they will still come pet you. The same the way they bite you, and they will constantly pet you. Last, during that pet, you will get the condition. Now what you want be this one. you will see they will support you because they want me to stay happy. Despite say that they back, then get their own good side. In every advantage, there's disadvantage. Even though they see that the right recipes, it get where Sarah for still good. At the hospital when I get accidents, Sarah the first way first called me, we are picking couple inside ambulance motor. I dey on call shop, I still see Sarah phone. I see her, I see profile picture. I pick up that way. I say, what happened? I say, calm down. Say, I'm okay. I'll be fine. I did some ambulance. You understand? But some other people, some other presenters, they celebrate, they jubilate, they happy say friend dog by. You understand? You get what she for bad, you get what she for good. Or buy them back of you. You understand? There are ways you still talk to her as a sister. She will support on YouTube. They said you go to Vera. Vera said get away for good. You get away for bad. You know if you just say better lifestyle or everything better than bad. No. Vera don't say jump small but with the perfect born. He's looking for way to secure that boy. That's why Vera had denied those children saying now 2 picking gets. Because it's a shame. Many for who may come across that kind of lifestyle those days. Now this will be nobody, you can't hide anything because social media. Those the many who may deny picking should not be the bonus one, not be the bonus one, they are just picking. You understand? So any of soon all those things will not be more cancel. You get where things go still reach as a brother and sister, you say call out on my brother come. Now go rob man as family. This woman don't born 4 children for this man now. Now my in-law, you guys have to call Benjamin together. You now rob mind. Not be with quarrel, not be with fights. Not be with mocking. You understand? Bro, now you have to talk to. You get this vibe so. But the time you come and you will be man. You dey come out now, they bully your own in-law on social media. It don't make sense. Bro, it don't make sense, I will tell you. How you go to expect, for example, say that maybe Benjamin, and they put myself now in the shoe of Benjamin. You can't forget say Benjamin has been presenter too. You understand? Benjamin now keep mute. If you say Benjamin see me everywhere, spread that one still come and call the Saka, they sort my pa, they sort my mama. Everywhere you can scatter. The whole media will turn upside down. You understand? The whole media will turn upside down. Now, Benjamin just lock up now. I thank God for that one. Say Benjamin never start the spark. Bro, you will be the man. You're not supposed to do that thing. For example, so I mean this, I mean Benjamin. I can't still follow because I get page. I get monetized page. How come still come and conjure my wife? Who could insult the whole family? It don't make sense. I just gotta beg you. It don't give them how they made mistake. You made mistake, you still get that right to correct them. And you get your platform, you can still come out of there and say, okay, I beg no verse, or Benjamin, my in-law, or whatever, no verse. I'm sorry. Let peace reign. My sister, Vera, anything will happen, where I tell you, out of anger, no verse. Let peace reign. If you see that one for Facebook alone, the thing will first shock in mind. After that, you call on for back. About after the sit down, more talk. Where you more talk, make peace reign. Hello? I greet you. I did that video. Okay, I'll just speak on. Let me put it on speaker.
Everybody, good evening.
Yeah.
This one a family saga.
Yeah.
You know, not be waiting good for you. Where this thing you they come out. That first day with Vera make video. See my house, see Vera house. It's not up to 20 minutes. Vera know me where. I call Vera. I said, Vera, what did they go on? Now your blood sister. Not be the first time why they beg and concerning Sarah. This one is the second time. I be third time.
Yeah.
Where they beg and say, now your younger sister put matter for grant. Or do you man want what kind one? What man want do you want?
Exactly.
Put matter for grant. Or what or we I get many presenters like that where we say I dey watch them. If I say the topic good or I say the topic want to hot, I go call. See, I say get kid there now. I dey call her sometimes when the wife say the thing they hot. I go say la wo go je mujo to. La wo go mujo to. You can't talk her mind. I dey call. Oh ye hon je Westy. I not seen your how.
Yeah.
She go say ye hon je Westy. After they talk to Vera, Vera why is the matter they talk to my own? They can invest me, now I cut call, now I block her. Yesterday, I called her brother for Spain. Me and even know say that brother like brother, but I don't want that brother right from time where that brother start. When they stay for where they stay for near people outside.
Yeah.
So when I come say the matter, they go, yesterday, now I come call the brother, he just speak, now I greet her, now I say I beg. This one na family issue. Why ya boy? Anything. Talk to this, I mean, talk to this, I make peace for raping.
Yeah.
I beg you. Because me when they use, they're not with the family member. But in the way I say they hear something,
Okay, no make sense. Exactly.
That can thing happen for my family. Tell you, me I don't get hurt to. Maybe I'll just drink there, whether not the codeine, I'll just go by myself. Because I'm bad of it.
No make sense, for real.
It don't make sense at all. Now, the brother can say, yeah. See, Vera, when I talk to, when I say, why you for I talk to my, you can't be like, when Vera, they talk to, I can say, Vera, you don't know me. You know me, Vera. He said that Sarah, be like, the way she look at Sarah, send me, call. I never see Sarah for face one day. I only know, say, I said, stay Spain. I know, say, Sarah, they stay Pamplona, but he might miss Sarah out there.
Yeah.
He won't use much I talk to me, but at the end of the day, now she can't cry. It's not making sense. See people with the draw at. Imagine how much for one marry. They never put money for your head. You don't put, you don't forfeit the whole finish.
No make sense.
Now just to go put money in I remember. Which person like me now, my brother go. I go give my brother go put money for that kind of person family here where they hear their news for social media. You know go work now. So it can't be no good. They come to try the poor husband, they try papa. Now she go lose. Now Vera, if you come to that one, now Vera go lose because women surplus when no get husband.
Don't be lying.
If the boy they 15 years old they want married, so they go see. But house when Vera don't build for many years, they come to hear this kind of thing. Family they hear, not only Vera, not only Benjamin and the papa they hear all this one. Benjamin get family, not come for bush.
Exactly.
He get friends, he not come for bush. You want kill the music career? He get your own career. I beg the family, what say I see? The sister Katie no raw, mama, why you born with her?
Yes.
Mama not there.
Now what you
yes,
doing
I don't have about 40 years. But I see if my younger ones do me something, they swallow spit.
Exactly.
If you want come to the water, I'll go back home back, I could drink cold beer. Eat food when they hungry me, I'll enter bed, I'll
like
sleep.
Like the way I drink, so I want you.
I want you. But guys, son name, that's our son name. Maybe they secure her, maybe they keep her. Maybe people know they use until they rub mats.
Sadly.
Muna beg. I get son name, Muna. Everybody gets son name.
We'll see.
Me like your mother polish me. One polish me like their social media. Also, present sana. Eti go iro. Eti get eti we. Eti la we supermarket ya video here. Oh, me one polish me like their work. We man am yo mani une egbe oko we. Wala wo. Yes so.
No wala. We'll see.
You understand? Wala wo. What get your bog we call?
Thank you.
And so we tell your bog we sana. We tell your bog we sana rotie. Mona beg, Mona try make peace, make everything. Cause even though I not they go each other house, but at least Mona make peace.
Nah, Guahian mama, the Guahian.
Mona let you know papa will see their life, make it last, make it for last. Because if your papa and I can't hear this kind of thing for phone, and they get that poor man high blood pressure. Mama is not getting young. Even like me, if I get problem for Europe, now I don't get papa again, I get mama. If I not well for you, able to ambulance carry me go hospital. I will call my sister. I will say, sister, let me not soon. I get sister for that Paris Vasco for Spain. I know well, doctor say I just did my body they hot 40. They come, I can't call ambulance, they can't rush me go hospital. We go to where your children, I say my children they with my neighbor, my Dutch family. She go say, okay. I'll say, I beg, when I not tell you mama, I know where I said they are they manage, when I not tell you. Why are they do that thing? When my mama not say, we know. Make she no go die before her time. Because I know that same Spain, when I did Spain, that I know person where you go born for. A bear of any no toku. France or you go come, you carry belly for the boy, he born. The next year you go carry picking for motor, you go carry picking go France. The boy just call it, the brother just call it mama. EJ, just they cry for him, mama. Old man, they cry for him, mama. EJ, ebo momole. EJ na way anyway, ebo momole. The mama pay time, mama drop. The mama enter bed, the mama go sleep, the mama no wake up again. It's all day.
Yeah.
And the picking now, or you don't carry the 17, 18 years. But his mama no fit come back to the boy, mama no fit. So that boy, that brother, they lose the mama. On our beg, no they use sense. Everybody get condition. Wallahu, why they beg? I beg, make we one of the swallow speak. Come as the matter take you on a mat on one voice out. You are not satisfying me as a fans. You know they satisfy. You are just satisfying the witches and wizards and the enemy around you guys.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, we family like Penny. Why are you? Oh, we need have so our way.
Okay, don't be lying. Any sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, guys.
And if we comment like we want to rally, I want to be he comment he like it because it's Sarah or two not be a woman or a Vera of the Roma about the Germany with the same our lands, or women. West Emma Yajimana, or women so
about the Baba.
Get us a be, Walla, where's what? Not beg, I did beg, not beg.
I really appreciate you. Yes, my people are grateful now. Waiting I come for now how to solve this problem. All this problem back goes. No, we don't need them again. Make them bring her together as a family. No man not day again. Papa no they send you will be abroad. Now we ask as it's four of the others abroad. They are going to send them. Now then go straighten their own life here. Now then go grow their own family here now. You understand? You see all this back goes. Better stop them. And the latest update now, after they talk to us now, you be the man for inside now. If me go will be now, may nobody on that to say you now this one I senior you, and this one senior you know you be man. And God has given you that mantle to be the man, and you get authority to speak. When we say the way you take speak, then go listen to you, they go support to your words. You understand? With peace and with love. They said love covereth multitude of sin. Not be Vera. I don't want to see you do live video again. You don't defeat Vera. Vera go say, "Waiting they want this one." I be your mate. But what is the boy now? He is what? I be your wife. You talk to me like that. Where is Sarah? I know Sarah. You are come apologize to everybody. No, it doesn't work like that. Everything now with sense. When you talk to this one, you give this one joy. You crack joke with them. And when I have book on the I'm already a Vera in and there way you talk to Vera just now. Vera way you say with the shy, oh, you go laugh. You get the way you take handle Vera, and you get the way you take talk to Vera. Vera will start the boss laugh. Oh, yes, wow, go here. You go drag her close to yourself. Now your sister. Oh, but I go have a second way. You now go make peace day. You now go do WhatsApp group as a family. You now go feel the talk. You know to. You now get now a private WhatsApp group as a family. Four of them. When I go for the communicate, anybody get issue go they put on there. You understand? Some of now the man will marry when I use to start big ball before. If the man see the corporation wanna get as a family, now he will say, "Okay, me I go pay my wife bride price." You understand? My mom when I big ball before. It's very very important. That thing now you the latest update now you go do that thing. Now you go create that thing for the mind of those women. Now, after latest of the back to Sarah and Vera. Vera, my sister, sit down here and talk to you. I see your anger. I watched your video. I see some of the things where you did talk for the past. The Bible said all things are past, all things become new. As a human being, you born 5 children for Nigeria. God bless you with 5 good children. The pikin when the things say no go fit become somebody today. The pikin when they say they may go back away. But today, you feel use and hit chest. Whether good or bad, you take care of them, you know they take care of them. You get 5 good children for Bogo. If you say, God give you, no one buy for your eye. All of the day alive till now. You can still come abroad. You can still go jump young, talented, handsome, cute guy. You understand? Anyhow, you can't get time, you feel later on last class, you can't know everything we call the circle. Nobody have home perfect. Everybody cover you for body. Even though the man you use money, carry the man they go. Now your way be that one. Even though the man they knock bottle for your head, now they to go. Now your way be that one. Everybody gets it home for his house. Use cloth cover you for his house. Now who talk you come out. Now they say you worst. You understand? The way you take handle your home for peace to reign for you. Now your best way be that one. You keep on as far as you are okay with it. It will not warrant you, will give you that audacity to underrate your sisters or brothers. to they look your family less. Your families are your backbone. They are your strengths. If your sister call you, talk what you not supposed to talk, you can't vex your husband, cause quarrel with you and your husband. My guy, husband will go. Sister, blood not they go. Your blood still remain your blood. Your blood still is intact. No, the guy they want me pass. No matter the saga you will do nothing. Do this saga to 200 years till you buy. My brother, the day when you go buy, Benjamin go call your family. If you don't know me, I tell you. Benjamin is not important than your family. If you don't know me, I tell you. No matter how the bola sweet you reach today, if anything happen to you today, bam, for Benjamin house, Benjamin will definitely reach out to your family. So don't play. Don't use your family follow any man play. No matter how they be pass. You know what, my guy? Because the man when you marry get family, when they look you and the man, the way you take disrespect your family, that man when you marry so family will say, oh, one day he will still come to us. People will feed them, bring her come out for belly. If you feel disrespect them like this, who be we when you can't see for road marry was son? They're going to use they look like this. They will not get that trust, that 100% trust for you. Have it in mind. They can never have that 100% trust for you as a wife. That's the reason why your family number one, not use and follow person play. Your children and your family. You understand? The way you treat your family, you go serve big respect for your in-law. Or with that go one and so ya mwe. Unyi mo mono ye me o no. Or with dolu nyi me yi mo. Na ngelegbe we do gata ne gie wo wodo. Omo no mo wu mo se. Omo mo se be nene mo nyi ne regbo wodo. Now your character determine the kind of. Now imagine in-laws now they insult in-laws. It doesn't make sense. It don't make sense. Vera, la how go. You so boy in here. Is when already ya in here. Can we believe ye? Ya in here. I make another gui. Aga gui ave wato. A comment venir coucher. If you are even van renarier with amelo. But I need my wound there. A coffee, nere, one no lay. They still me go together. You don't think so? They still me go together. So la when so you talk, go no yaro a man. Keso no yaro a man. It's your duty as a mother. Easy working, you are not a girl. You say you're back. Ala bien agbe biere. All those things, if as you don't be born, you dey come down. You get children. If your children they behave like this, how you as a mother go to advise them? Ou se non so, ou se non bonne ge so we. O janoué, ou se non bonne ge werie. O jamenje, a menje di manani menje na o jani mae. Mais on oublie Mario Yani. Oh, c'est les manabie. Ma préfère Niger. Ma c'est moi Niger manikbia. Me même believe say même more that carry pikin the trainer go dey give am money than me the man dey train because me the way mama go take train the pikin man no go fit train like that. So in the prayer of your children we are do awon na omagba da ona ya re monobie. Emi ya na ona ya re internet. E mo de ba hwe do go internet. See how my mother live her life. This was how my mother looked like. She was so rough. She was all saying all manner of rubbish. She was just speaking insult on insult, insulting people. See, no. Before you call it explain this man, she don't they shake. Hey, you like you call your man. You don't they shake that time. Your picking they are all computer children now. They see all your atrocity. My sister. No mama raw, go Vera. If you want to know things about social media, the good things about you will not go viral on social media, but the bad things about you spreads faster than HIV. You understand? That's the reason why you're cautious of things that you do, especially when you involve your family. None of them go buy today. You go to the father say, thank God, my sister don't buy. Thank God, my senior sister don't buy. Thank God, my sister don't buy. Okay, Sarah, buy. Thank God, okay, latest update don't buy. You go be happy. You will never be happy. You go pretend, but you will never be happy. Why don't you settle your home now? Why don't you settle it now? Okay, latest update is calling. Hello, latest update on the sick. Will they hear you?
Yeah, bro, come on.
I greet you. What?
What's it? Yeah, you don't know. We follow up. We watch the web, bro.
What?
What's it, bro?
What?
What's it? I appreciate. But not I mean one about you. We appreciate you. Not you on Wejena. I really appreciate. But me do that we need hero. Na hand to ya ha me vera well where. Any ronye we ni so why you have man on la one or a wepa. You know your no ita no better not kata ni we be do agwanya we be do ania. For was a woman ya gune rogariana. No. Family of family. So if you don't buy on a night time vera on a head to tower me vera head where the nya head where Radmo Eke, Imatana, Makameka, or Maropa. My understanding, Makameka, Maropa. Very Kameka. Or when they present a more, or not the way you video no better. We are Saga, Siradina, Sakana, and Saga, but they don't know only Makame. But I can family where a ravage and Nikkei, only my involved, only no more. That was it.
Yeah.
We are not calling Vera. You know, with video now, Vera now washing on our comment. For more than 2-3 days. You know, we matter not hair or tell nothing. So, I cannot tell what we or why we. So, you will video in 1 week in a banner to a hammer was said. No. There is nothing like that.
That your man.
And I'm going to finish in a Benjamin generation. And I'm going to know the real update. I'm going to know me. That's why they hide myself. A lot of people don't say Vera, Sarah, and my sister. Now me, they hide myself. You know this stuff because I know why. I know the kind of bad character, the kind of nonsense when Vera they do. Even including Sarah, when she do then. You understand? But I'm not happy for it where or Tiabone. My Tiabone, but I was not happy. Also, not in the also, now I will video again where I think do my video. Yeah, I come and stop to do my own things. So since a very large man, I do a video, I bear my head to have my work there, no lava, and you know, now, Nigeria. Not do you have boy, you're not school or not 20 years, or 10 years have been women here to back against the family, they right, they a master no. Or when they very large publicly to him, me as the head of the family, the side me, I will never, Ariana Fiari, hey, family narrative. You go know the real me, or any right for what, you know what I can do. Or any.
Latest
So you
update.
need the rock,
Wato. Gumegu guana. Anyway, Jackawe no man. Man, understand me. Even Nagmo, I'm my way. Omonu venu yame ba igo ikbirame utome na anya gmo ya oguaro. No rie we bu no mai o ahia. E no dia bu no zuwa. Understand me na. Imari ma na do gbe mi oko. Do gbalo mama gun e we bu na. Man understand. Mado gwali gbe mado gwale zo. You feel me na. And we know say ebi sunu ezo sunu again we vera na ku e vera mala do aro we he never insult.
Two system back. Oga notice so I mean vera ka fi mel ka dano ka fi family mel adame or ka fi vera la dame de ya dey now so but we are be keeping quiet. We on them la da the media na to tell me vera.
No.
So we are me we on there.
No.
Vera have been staggering this family since 2016. But I kept quiet. He and Benjamin, even last year December, Benjamin do video. I will send you the video. A Benjamin Natota, a Vera Natota, a Benjamin Amwe Vera share the live video, the video we made. I can send it to you as evidence. That was over December, November, I'm not better on that. But I've never do that to Benjamin or Vera. I've never do that to them. So it needs zero throne. I do that with Vera Lava. Instant work there.
What damn you? Aria Benamo, Mother Savana, Aria Benamo, whatever you tell you have proof of everything we say, or 20 or 20. You understand? A do where a Joma or Boma. You are no longer a boy. There's one thing I want you to understand. You want to have more winning now. Oh, yeah, I mean, a boy, not a boy, you don't be boy, you be man.
Okay, my name is Ghana, and I agree, bro. I went to Mekawa like an arm, now only look, but I kept quiet in for good 3 days. I will video.
Yes.
Keep quiet. I was begging her. But a lot of people saw that video, but they do not even call her as here, or 20 who were or 2 where they were video in our maho, when I was 20 in, nobody said that. Everybody had full length, I don't win on Lawa, for him to find on my car, for him to know my own. Oh, I know not one in my camera, but I will finish.
Dario.
Benjamin family.
Dario, let's talk about Dario. Where a do ya, which time we will not go al Zagodo fig in no golofi again. We are Muzagodo fig money, me. Omana miss again, where you understand? But as it comes to be like this, I don't be a worry. We would die. Nobody no here go with the animal now celebrate. No. But we are the motor now. No. Oh, down here. Oh, we are turning now. Oh, we are turning now. One understand. Now you're going to come away by America, when we there. Down your way.
I'm going to share the family needed before. But to have here in I consider her who went to December. She called me, she was crying. When my husband or boy, he will my wife, she will hear for straight. Nila, Nicola, I have to beg the rest of his sisters with Walawa forgive her. Now she do another one. Ariave no props.
Osalobo no jima my sin against her my sin my beg forgiveness so you forgive him man understand am I go my name anagbon if you gbara gbon na ti ya forgive one you understand me now if you gbara gbon na I talk how offend the web ona be boy not do me well una be forgive her you understand or 20 no it's your blood it's like when na ona we understand me now Ojo, dame yo, ojo, mana sabe na, otweno huno. We don't really agir. We don't really agir. Blood is thicker than water. You feel me na? We here David na, you do here koko be vera. No wa mi miao bra. Na your blood. You understand? La oh, we tired. No, la me aka boy mi we. Understand? Me aka boy mi we because I make na gui avec wa dollar for peace to reign.
Family. Okay, boy, can't family nickel. And now you la dana you we say run where we are to pay now, or 2 when no, any amia, or 2 no, la wo, on our gear, on our comment on our gear. Mena will maybe your honor at the end she continue with what she's doing. A bow ne big boy na tifa in a bang the winner her when no. My bro, who was in when I'm winner. Wes, I really appreciate you, my bro. All I have to do with.
Wow.
So I just want to let you know, so Wednesday for you to make peace. But by let her do her worst. Make she do her worst.
What? Off well, babe. I must greet you.
Wednesday, bro.
Alright, bro. One love. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better stuff. I will ring, I ask everything. Never say, I make it like we are what you understand? And yeah, where they are still angry. When you mo, it is very mo, ya mo, but wa mo you to ho. Wa mo you to Vera. Ik me go kan be na. Otwe na hin to no be na hin na. O yira we jwe. When no ya boy. Ya make a peace. When can lie, like when we lie, no not calm down. No na mwezo because what you do, you fuck up. I know we lie you. Agboyana gbese sira. O make kedi we no wije, we gbesira. Wo sie e that ameno bini wo do sie. No do agba mo ya we no wo sie. Because to man still have the ando saga e man put lock up in it. Man the man la diane. Understand? What do see ameni? No do agbagbo yana. Oko. Mozo to no na ma akwe. You understand me now? You have to go and apologize. Now, or do I involve okbianu biena? No my go you on. What do you not think? Don't biena ya mien ya win ya me pay price na. Ibiegwa ya lele ko abu me agi biegwa khona ko me agi tingwe na ibiegwa na ri ibiegwa na iya lele ko ibiegwa mana ri go marriage magba vera mai ibiegwa mana mi go marriage magba e deja mi na we here am go yo wa hwea de no here ma no here buda ye ke we baba o do hot o da font mana ere wa gba de mi go yo mi ego agbo wa. No matter what, no matter you always saga say, no buwa. Go and check any prisoner on buwa. Iya no. Everyone will the body not what you were na ENOGIE. It don't buwa. The same thing. It don't buwa. If you want to succeed on this social media as a prisoner, I buwa. If me abonoko come I da komwe. You understand? Otiye no gele no gele lawo no go do disgrace live video gbe agbeguro view agbo ENOGIE yan ma di bi je eti je ro kono la ro o fi na beto bugakian owe tu huwe owe ra gbo owe dike o to on huwe na mu ye owe omudia e we na ti mu he nya hu mu ya o so lo gba ne gele ma owo si ibe when I find winner, look at your bed, you. I'm going to back with your Mumariwa. Can never be happy. Mammy, when the word that one, if we know here, we use a gariawa. Knowledge is very important. Oh, one of him, now the outsiders that is clapping for you will lead you to destruction. It's the truth. Now, Benjamin, not that far. Benjamin, Madam, you be man. I want to speak English, me for you understand. You be man. Woman born 1, 2, 3, 4 picking for you, no bride price. You know that it will go see the family, and your father there with you for this journey. You the phone fine boy. Woman, we bought children for you. We give you children when they bear your name today. Whether Vera good, Vera not good, you cannot change the father, the person that makes you to become a father today. Now Vera. So all this while you don't want to see anything will go trigger you to pay bride price for this woman. Or to look carry one she now, go give the family of the man. My brother, you don't do well. You don't do well, you don't try. I must tell you the truth, bro. You don't try for that one. No. You don't try. Even though you don't pay bride price, you should be in a good relationship with your in-law. You should be in a good relationship with your. It gets some kind of relationship with your day. They're going to see you as husband. Everybody will call you my husband, our in-law. You're going to say, don't. Whereas you never pay bride price because of the way you do the art. Your support of the family. And the funniest part of it all, Your father is same Germany with you. Your father is abroad with you. Does it mean say your father advise you but you not pay bride price? Your partner don't like Vera and you impregnate person with your partner like every time you don't feel persuade your father to go pay bride price, to go do the needful. When you begin to impregnate woman constantly without paying the bride price and you're living like that, you are carrying the cost. Having children out of wedlock. You understand? They carry cost they go. Not be say the woman not born and you go pay bride price. You understand? It don't make sense. You they sing, you musician. What do you sing? What do you want to advise people? When your own house, you never feel advise yourself for his house. Children, when God they bless you with, the woman when God they used to give you children, you know if you settle the family. The family now they in state of messed up, agony everywhere, anarchy. You did that house, you will sleep, They see that your woman don't insult the brother, the sister, the family, the father. Finish. You carry a tablet, you will sleep with them. Bro, I did not a trial. I swear. So many of you know this are brother too strong. I'm a really strong man. Your own wife who you put for house, you go sit down for your parlor or your kitchen or your bedroom or your veranda. You go do video for 2 hours, 1 hour. You go insult all your family member. Finish. You go come from work. You come enter house, you go give you food, you go eat. You ain't go still enter bed, you go hold on, you cuddle on, you go knock on. Now wow, I don't mind beer. Because you know if you tell me say you know they watch your wife video, you know they see her. You understand? Bro, it don't make sense. For real, bro. Doesn't call for. It don't make sense. Things like this they happen. You get father. The family now come against your family, they insult the family. Your father they in the position to call these children to order. Your father they in the position to call these children to order and talk some sense enter their brain as an elderly person in abroad here. Awego why you man kenoro omanoro. Omanoro. You and your part did the same journey. The woman when they born for you, they insult in family daily basis. Your father don't feel come out, carry for say, Vera, come to me for us. From today, I don't want to say you do video insult your family again, or you leave my son. Your father not doing. I don't understand. Are you like because what you are not doing, you guys are not trying to protect. You are trying to let the world know that you guys are the one advising this one to be insulting the family. That's it. If I check the analytics, Vera don't be the man. Don't go there. Don't underrate Benjamin. Vera not be the man. Benjamin they use Vera. Vera they not born Vera when they use Benjamin. Not play. Benjamin they use Vera. Vera don't use Benjamin. So I cannot imagine person where they fear you, where they respect you. You would insult your own brother, your own senior brother, which is your in-law. Whether you like it or not, they are your in-law because the woman not born for you. You keep quiet, make it insult your in-law. Right? You don't go fit talk to her. And you expect the family to be happy. Say their sister, they follow one man. They follow one man. Papa did Germany. Your husband, your father, they watch the video. Where your own wife, they insult in papa. They insult his mama. They insult his brothers. They insult the other sister. My brother, it makes sense. Our people use and make parable say, Ejo Magboma. You understand? If my in-law beats me, and last, that woman still reach my hand, I'll go thank God. If I go prison because of woman, and the woman still taunt my wife, I'll go thank God. But Vera brothers and sisters get right to insult you, insult your family, insult your papa. When this is not working well. Because no one can do needful. Even though you don't pay bride price, then they feel insult you. But when you insult them, it becomes abomination. It becomes what? Abomination. Then when get the wife where you sleep on top, they feel insult you. But if you throw man to them, it becomes an abomination. Now, your own wife now they insult your father, they insult your family. You sit down, sleep with until daybreak, eat belly food chop, come on, go work. It not concern you. Why you go tell us? Why you go tell the whole world say it not concern you? There is no way you will tell the whole world say it not concern you because this woman get children for you. My brother, do the needful. You be man. You get your musical career where you carry on with. You see all this childish place where it looks like children, so where it looks like now joke. It go jeopardize that's your career. And they tell you, it go scatter your career. Because everything that is happening now is on Facebook and TikTok. Unless say your woman, you don't get anything to do with that woman. You're no longer dating that woman anymore. And if you know so you don't date her anymore, come out publicly and declare to the world to know. So that they're not going to insult you again, they're not going to throw mouth to you, they're not going to point finger to you and your father again. You understand? It's straight that because what if Vera they do no good? Somebody need to say it. I know they support Vera, they insult your father. No matter what, you not get my again. The only thing where you get, and the only person you get is your father. Your father deserves respect from you. It deserves respect from you. It deserves to be loved. And I see no reason why you will be disrespecting your father. You come on social media, insulting your father, say all manner of things against your father. Kudos to the son of Anini. The late Anini's son. He did fight for your papa. If you know what you say insult, you insult your father. He say your father na hero. He say in father na hero. He still they defend his father even after his father's death. But not the thing his father do. The guy still they defend papa. Now you go sit down for social media. You go to insult your father for Nigeria. My sister, if you know my guy at my work, you just need to be like the Murphy wife. We come and use the father group page. And don't we name me Guya Ziri. Or say the men now women. We use the father group page, insult the father on social media. Today look at them. No matter about you key. Anything we person soap for this life, 9 degree. Where the page we use the father group. China collect them by your hand. You understand? But this video is still on media. Say, this woman insulted the father. I said, father will be great man for those things. A old chief. The video is still on here. I'm not going to have a live video. It will still be there. The children will come and see that video one day. If I grow up now, my people will see my video. I go see come and people see so woman like this insulted the father. If father was also person like this, also person like this. This is what the father was. This is why the father network that year for me. One of the chief in our palace. This is what happens also here like this. I can play the video of my son. I still get that memory. From them, my son will still continue. Now history. This is how history starts. Many of you guys are talking about Agobaseki years back. Just the way we just see this on the day. Now, so they only say they not get Facebook, they will get Facebook. The way they live now, they communicate now, so that they talk that year. Today now has become an history, Benin history. Now, so they go see here, Frank Victor history that year, where they call memoir. It was called a memoir, so like this. So they can't spread for her. They can't lay cost for her. So go a particular musician, what they call AKOBEGHIAN, they'll come bring the history come. And now children they call the history. Now so I talk. Now he born this brother, so still wicked that time. Papa I'm very useless person that time. That Frank Omozwo. Hey, before they call the person Frank Omozwo, you know how that guy, what that guy do for media. Omuja, but he talk true to, but he gets sense so. They go see tell the one which is good, they go tell the one which is bad. Your children now you born on a this one pass upon reincarnation on a Larry. Okay, now so that man just be that time. Playing Frank Omozwo origin. Now so Wobasek is being now. So what do they do now? They mind the way they insult your papa for social media. You be woman, you don't be man. You be woman, you not be man. You understand? So Vera, use your brain. Go apologize to your brother and your sisters then. Go beg them. Okinyokpa emoji. Your husband not dey stay with you for house. That one come for work, go come out, deal with him men. You understand? Only you and children at the house. People you also they communicate with your family. Also, nobody give you soon that a family will know. My sister use brain. Use your head. You the baby? Use your head. Very important. La wo do the needful. You say that raw. Only I had the advice to say that. Your money wouldn't have about or more. But this is like taking up a moment. Your money will do why you say that why about because then you test the motherhood for those women, those children when you insult. God, that your king, go to take care of your king for us. Why about okay? The way you have big pampers, go learn how to tie pampers now. This year, I say, now go buy the enemy of your picky. Now go buy the enemy of your picky. And go pay your other corner now. But you are going to tie pampers. Then you know how the thing they pay. Oh well, I had a tip on already. A punishment, Mr. Nobody in the winner. Anyway, I won't go up here now. The way I go pampers. Why buy where is 1 year, 2 years in there? Who do 1 year birthday? Or by 1 year you can't do 1 year birthday. 2 years, 3 years of those one school. Who does one more you do everything at your school run? So that you go know say those women when they spark when they sort it so they pass through. Some of them does follow children. When they sort their children, you will test her now. You understand? So also now I don't they sort your children. No. You don't mean. But nevertheless, make us try put her together as a family and make peace. Make peace for reign. Benjamin, no better way. Benjamin, your papa need to settle this issue amicably as an elderly person. Also, your attack was so behind it better you use a brain. As a father, you there abroad, your picture will go on for social media. Just because say your pikin give one woman belle, we will not go pay bride price. What are you supposed to do? If you sincerely love Benjamin, you love the children of Benjamin, your grandchildren, why did you call this man to order, my dear? I saw your video where you insulted your father. What did happen? You go talk. From today, I don't want to see you insult anybody again. I don't say you don't do live video. You can do your live video, but don't insult your parents. You don't insult your family again. Give me your PAN number or give me your brother number. You call as a father. As a father, you call. I will go to Benjamin and Binima now. Shama, we are but there, unable. I bet do the needful. Do the needful. Emma now, it don't make sense. Which can I have they look your postman? So your postman did the insult your in-law. Hello, ma.
Hello, Mr. Frank. No vessel. Put on for speaker.
This speaker.
Get with you, I want to. Is this speaker?
Yeah.
Hey, this Papa Benjamin, you. The another day you can't do topic put. Benjamin is not 17 years old boy. I believe for Europe, the law to Europe or Nigeria, the law all over the world, when your child is 18, you don't mature, you don't fit carry career of your own.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I don't imagine my mama go tell me say, person when I dey in love with, make I not marry her.
No work.
It's not done, Abi.
Yes, no work.
You know work. So Papa Benjamin, that one they act like Oyibo. I don't want to talk another word because not be my mates. Because get what I for talk now. My grandmama say me they tell my uncle where they look for woman say they look for woman, they sleep with different women that time if you come Nigeria, they America. That my grandmama say me say go give one. Say me they tell her if you they tell for Benin, I tell her say na bicycle, na anywhere you carry hair go, na go. You understand?
Yeah.
What am I trying to say is that Benjamin is not a baby. He don't deal with the woman. They don't get 3 children. So at least when they go do the right thing, and not be the papa go say for his life he pikin not go marry that girl. It's not done. What say your pikin want come marry now Jesus Christ? Every woman is a queen. Every woman is a princess. Your son not too fine for Vera. Vera is not too old for your son. You understand? Person they marry, I don't know now where they find their love. So Organo verse to all due respect, sir. You know, see that your boss will say you are picking no go marry Vera, my son no go marry Vera. Oh, if I not verse, all those on our gas.
Okay.
So
Now what is the man? Now what is
necessary?
Now what is the man that talk with that one?
Do the necessary, Mona do the right.
Now what is the man that talk with that one?
That's what the man they talk now. They your boss by way they use how they not just say my picking. No, but my son Benjamin will not marry Vera. Vera is too old for Benjamin. Who says that? Hello. This Europe when me there, so I don't say I don't see it. 20-something years don't knock me. But the now part of education.
Okay, no problem. Why
You understand?
Yeah.
So make the man stop to the talk that word. Picking don't follow and come and go do the necessary. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Done.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, waiting and think about this very video. When Umenwa they talk to Vera, say, Vera, you are a big disgrace to your family. I know say some people go dey vex for the comment section, but more una no vex. Drop una opinion. God bless you all. Like and share.